INK spirit, prepare for fear. From childhood fear to fear-imposed logic, let's face it, in a way, fear controls our lives. If it isn't our personal fears holding us captive, then it's the fear-imposed logic of people who are the authority in our lives. But we grow up knowing it, learning it, and using it in systems we run and take part in when we get to adulthood. Fears hold us back and do nothing to stop the inevitable. So why do we have them? Warning signs. What about the imposed and made-up ones? Still warning signs, only ones just for you. If you are having sensory perceptions and feelings of fear with nothing having triggered a past trauma, it's intuition. If you are having a trauma-based trigger response causing fear, it's a warning you're not dealing with things related to a past trauma. If you are being caused fear, it is calling into trust outside yourself. If you are having issues trusting your own emotions, then you will experience difficulty trusting regardless of intuitions. This will all be related to fears. Fears are emotions that need a nurturing response from the person experiencing fear. If you are trusting a person and they build on your fears or cause your fears to be worse, intentionally or unintentionally, it's a warning sign of boundary issues, limits, and choices. Therefore, you need to be aware of your fears. Journal. Make a list of your fears, but also put them into categories and give them a level of fear, 1 to 10. Now decide if they are triggered by CT. Identify the issue and work on that first. Majority of our fears stem from experiences and environments in our past and childhood. Next, see if the fear is valid. If you are getting worried about third-hand information and not researching the facts yourself, you could develop emotional scars and trauma and find out it was misinformation. Don't let yourself down. If you can ask or research to find the answers to put your fears at ease, do it. Now, fears based off the unknown are the most common and difficult to ease, due to no one knowing what triggered it. There is nothing to predict whether it will even cause an issue or be a fear once you experience it. It's unknown until you are brave enough to find out. It is perfectly sane to never want to experience the things we fear. There are so many that are life-altering changes, it makes sense. But what if your fears have taken over? What if they control what you are able to do in your life, and even for yourself? What then? You are on a journey with millions of other people who are having and have experienced these strong and overpowering emotions and do not know what to do. Survive. You get by not giving in or giving up on you. Realize that people are surviving this. This is normalization. Try to understand the root of the fear. It may be attached to complex trauma you didn't know was there. This requires really deep processing. We at Influence of Art recommend our therapeutic art life coaching sessions. Register on our site at www.inkefluenciofart.com for an assessment. We can help you with the here and now, develop coping tools, and support your emotional management. Grounding activities, distractions, and sensory tools help while you're working through issues, but make your focus healing the deep-rooted issues causing the fears. You will be surprised by what you uncover about yourself. You are surviving something right now, and that is brave too. Work towards small goals. Make a vision board, plan it out. Practice some meditation to build it into a positive mantra to bring energy your way to deal with some of the issues caused by the fear. Work toward the fear by preventing it from affecting your life in ways that inhibit your progress in life. Check out some of Influence of Art's self-help videos on our YouTube channel at Influencing Art. If you need support, contact us through our website. If ever you don't feel safe, validate your concerns. Don't push them aside as unimportant or let others ignore or reduce your fears to insignificant. Fears are warnings. Use the idea to heal them in the power of finding the warning message. Tap into your natural instincts. The fear is in you. You have all the power over it. Let us help you build the bridges to the other side of healing. www.inkefluenciofart.com. Thanks for joining us at INK Spirit for Preparing for Fear.